Hi, this is Kerry from Garden Rudiments. Today I'm going to be doing this very small birdhouse. I'm going to be staining or painting the bottom and planting succulents on top. For this small birdhouse, I'm taking this patio paint that says outdoor. It's by Deco Art. I put some water in and watered this down, and I'm using it like a stain. And I went over the body of the birdhouse, and I wasn't going to do the top, and then I thought, well, I might as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just paint over this. And as you can see, it doesn't look like paint, it looks like stain. Now I'm going to leave this to dry. I'm using a stiff piece of plastic to protect the roof. A pair of scissors were packaged in this, and I believe in reusing anything I can instead of throwing something into the trash that's just going to pollute the environment. This plastic will protect the roof of my birdhouse from moisture when I spritz the succulents with water. This plastic doesn't melt, it just kind of wrinkles up from the heat. Trim any edges that are longer than the roof area. I had Aleene's tacky glue available but decided to use the hot glue gun mostly. The glue doesn't dry fast enough for me, so I would rather use just the hot glue gun. I used the hot glue in small areas and glued the sphagnum moss to it before it cooled. Cover the whole roof. Take a pair of scissors and clean up around the edges. I cut strips of sheet moss and glued around the front and back edges. This really sets off the look of the birdhouse, giving it that mossy old weathered look. Okay, now we're ready to start putting on our succulents. And I'm going to start, just think about my composition. Put my glue on. And just tuck it in where I want it to go. I'm going to put some of the bigger pieces on first. And then fill in with all of my small ones. Now you don't want to get glue on the leaves of the succulent, just on the stem, because it will burn the leaves. This was a great project, and I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. I have another birdhouse project for the future, but right now I'm all out of succulent cuttings, so I have to get some more in or grow some more. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please click the like and subscribe buttons to see when I upload new content. Watch till the end to see a short blooper reel. Thanks.
On the west side, company number 5, Sequoia District. Close response.